to a new mini training. Today I'm discussing sales, more specifically your sales. Let's dive into the number one reason why your sales are low. The number one reason why your sales are low is because of poor communication. It is important to have a seamless relationship with your audience and your business. This helps create well-informed strategic decisions and to maximize sales performances. It is also important to keep content verbiage simple and easy to understand. I hope you found this mini training helpful. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.